You're probably paying $5, $10, or maybe $50 per month for a VPN right now. You don't have to. There is a free VPN software that has no data limits, no ads, no subscription, and it's actually faster than most paid options I've tested. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you exactly how to install it and connect it on Windows, step by step. And at the end, I will run a live speed test so you can exactly see what to expect. Hello and welcome back, my friends. In the first step, open up a browser and then we will go to the project site. Try to type VPNGate.net. As you can see, VPNGate.net, and after that enter, and we will go to the official site. Just wait a couple of the seconds, and after that we are in the main website. Here, as you can see, you see series of servers that are active and users are connected to them. And when you go to the downside here, you have some protocol you can actually use and connect to these servers. As you can see here, L2TP, OpenVPN, and here we have a SSTP. And whenever you can actually connect to these servers, you can use these protocols too. So you have option to connect to each server with several protocols. So after that, we will go to the download tab and then download VPNGate client. Just click here, and in the upside the page here, guys, you will see the download software for VPN client plus VPNGate client plugin. So you need just to click here and wait for the download. Just click here and try to start to download the file, which is our VPN client. The file size actually, guys, is small, so it doesn't takes a long time. Just wait and be patient. Well, after the download is completely finished, go to your download folder and try to extract the file. As you can see, just extract the client, and after that go to the folder, right click on the installation file, and after that run as administrator. Give it access and click on the next, check agree, next, check on advanced installation options for experts, next, and just wait a couple of the seconds, guys. Click on the finish, and let me actually uncheck here, click on the finish, and it's time to open up your software VPN client on your desktop. Just click on the client, and after that click here to run it up. That's it. As you can see, guys, now we are on the actually software dashboard, I mean VPN dashboard, and there is some option here. They are not important for us. Just click here on the VPNGate public VPN relay servers, just like this here. Just double click here, and that's it, guys. There is some options that are important for us. I will tell you one by one, and after go to this part, just click on the refresh and try to refresh your servers. Here you have some tabs with some actually information. Here the first tab is DDNS hostname, which is your actually servers names. Here you will see bunch of servers that have different names, and here on the IP address you will see that server's actually IP address, and here we have region, which is the country of each server. And when you go to the downside, you will see so many country, and when you tap here you can sort them and from actually random to categorize them. And here you have uptime. You will see here it means that how long has each server been up and running. And let me show you, for example, this server, as you can see, uptime for 70 hours, this one 0 minutes. And when you tap here, when you click here, actually guys, you can sort them from old to new and reverse. So click here, all are fresh. And next up guys is VPN sessions. It means that how many devices are connected to each servers. For example, this server, as you can see, 36 devices connected to this server, which is on Thailand. And here we have 0 sessions. And when you click here, you can sort them from actually huge devices to 0 devices. I mean, a small number. And here we have line speed, which is so clear what is that. And you have highest speed and lowest speed, and you can sort them out. And on the latest tab, we have ping, which is so clear, especially for the gamers. And for UDP support, you will see each server support UDP protocol or not. And when you click here, you can sort them. And these are just for TCP and these are just for UDP. And there is no information important for us. Just select the one server which is fresh and have a good line speed with low devices is connected. So as you can see here, depends on the country or session or line speed. Select one, double click and just wait. And if you can't connect to each server, you will see this error and give it retry, but close it and try another servers guys. Try to cancel connection, go here, select one more server. Here you have option for TCP and UDP. I will recommend to you always UDP. Just click on the OK. And this is the live action guys. I don't cut to connect to the server which is successfully. I want to show you how to select and fail and try to select the server you can connect to it successfully. I will try to set another region and another server. Still I can't connect. This is the rule guys. You must try so many number of servers, and especially when your country is like me and they have a heavy censorship and filtered for internet. So you must take your times and try so many servers, and after that try the best one, cancel, and I will try another one. For example, this one 33 days, I still can't connect. So I will try another one, cancel connection. Let me this time select another region, and for example United States, not work. Try another one, uptime. Now let me select Japan server, again not work. Now let me select Estonia. That's it guys. As you can see, I've connected to the this server. This is live action guys. I didn't want to cut and show you just one shot and one server. As you can see here, we are connected. Now let me test the speed quality. For example, I will go to the YouTube, just tap here and wait, and as you can see, the speed is perfect guys. Can open up and load the page perfectly and fast. And let me actually test one of the videos that's for myself.
Diamond Dynasty fast? Stubs too expensive?
As you can see guys, the speed and quality is perfect. Everything works perfectly. Now let me close, and whenever you can disconnect your server, just right click here and you have option disconnect and disconnect all, or you can go to your taskbar, right click here and choose your server and disconnect here. Now let me disconnect, and one more time I will try to choose another server, guys, for you. For example, this time let me try Canada. Perfect. Now we are connected to this server without any problem. And another try. As you can see here, we are connected. Now let me test it again. Let me go to the YouTube. Perfect, guys, perfect. The speed is great, as you can see. You don't need to pay for subscription or other things. You have a great free VPN here,
becomes the year your
and it
glasses
works
replace your
perfectly.
phone. Sounds bold,
Perfect,
right?
guys. As you can see, the
what if
speed
this is
is
the moment
great,
smart
and you
eyewear
can
stops
use
being
it.
a cool experiment?
Now let me close, and this time disconnect it from here. That's it. Now we are done here, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget that to subscribe my channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. As always, see you soon in the next video.